Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Google Forms to N8N. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you want to automate your workflow by sending data from Google Forms to other apps, integrating Google Forms with N8N is a powerful solution. While Google Forms doesn't have a direct integration in N8N, you can still connect it using webhooks and Google Sheets, since form responses are stored there. So in order to do this, we need to go ahead and create your Google form. So go over to Google Forms and create your form. So I've got one here already pre-made for this demonstration. Now from here, click onto where it says responses, and then click the green link to sheets icon to our new Google Sheet, and then click on create new spreadsheet, and then click create. So now it's linking to your spreadsheet. Then make sure each response field is properly labeled in the first row. Now we need to go ahead and install and set up Google Sheets node in N8N. So go back to N8N, sign into your account, and then we need to go ahead and click on create workflow. And now we're going to call this, give this a name. So I'm just going to call this Google Forms, like so. Then from here, we need to go ahead and add first step. So click on that plus icon. Then from here, we need a search node. So search for Google Sheets. Here it is here. Now I want to go ahead and click on create spreadsheet. Now we're going to have this little pop-up appear like so. Now this is the first time you're adding Google Sheets to N8N. You need to set up these credentials. So from here where it says credentials to connect with, click onto that, then click create new credential. And then from here, we need to go ahead and sign into our Google account. So a little pop-up should appear, choose the correct account, and now sign into it. All right, so now go ahead and click on continue. Then it should say connection successful, account connected. Then from here, we can go back. Now we can go ahead and build the workflow in N8N. So you can add a webhook node if you like, or add a Google Sheets trigger node, connect it to other nodes like Slack, email, Airtable, or any other app, depending on your needs. From there, simply test the workflow. So submit a test response via Google Forms, then check N8N to see if it receives the data and processes it as expected.